What's good, y'all? I'm V, and you're watching 80s Babies Tutorials.
What's good, y'all? Today we're working on Adobe Illustrator 2020. If you don't have 2020, I don't think it matters. You know, you can have CS6 as far as I know, as far as I go back. But today we're gonna be working on the pen tool. Now the pen tool coming from Photoshop, like I always say, I don't use the pen tool in Photoshop, you know, but coming from Photoshop to Illustrator, the pen tool is probably one of the most prominent tools that you're gonna use. So don't be scared, get over it. Let's work. So first thing we're gonna do, obviously, is grab the pen tool. Grab the pen tool, and I'm gonna make a square, right? Click, go down here, the guidelines make me make a straight line, helps me make a straight line. Click there. Nah, I want it to be straight. Oh, there you go, guideline. Click there, and before I close this off, you see the little circle right here by the pen tool? That means you're closing off your shape. So bow. Now my shape is closed, I got a square. I can do the same thing with a triangle. Don't matter. Whatever shape your heart decides to make, you can make it. That's the pen tool for you. Make it smaller. That's the pen tool. And it don't have to be straight. But the pen tool is also good for making curves. I learned that in Illustrator, making curves with the pen tool is a whole lot easier than Photoshop. So what I'm gonna do is I click the point, and I'm gonna click another point. The second point, I'm gonna click and hold. Now that allows me to make a curve. See the little anchor handles coming out? Those are the curves. Let go, and bow, I made a curve. Now Illustrator automatically tries to align the curves and make them smooth. So I can do that. I can make that smooth curve. But now I don't have any more curves. What do? What you do is click another point and drag out again. And you don't have to go with the curves that Illustrator is telling you to go with. I can click here and make this curve as crazy as I want to make it. Inside out, upside down, it don't matter. I can do whatever I want to do. I'm in complete control. So click, drag, and close up the shape. Now you can do this with any shape. I personally like to use the pen tool for my hand drawings. You know, I take my hand drawing, import it in Illustrator, and I trace it with the pen tool, and it makes the lines nice and smooth. Good inking, you know, to make your hand drawn a digital product. So now you got everything, you got your shape, and you can go and put a fill color inside the shape. You can change the stroke color and do all the regular things that you do with Illustrator. Basically, the pen tool is used to make shapes and to outline things. So you can change the stroke as you using the pen tool. I like to do everything at the end, but you know, you can do it however you want to do it. Play around with it, see what you come up with. And that's the pen tool in a nutshell. If you got anything else you want us to touch on, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notifications. Hope you guys learned something. See you next time. Peace.